Hello people, it's 2019 and this is gonna be my first video in this year. Funny thing is that a year ago on this date I started my YouTube channel. I made just a quick teaser, but it was the beginning of something that I haven't expected that it's gonna go this way. A year ago I had no clue that I'm gonna start 3D modeling stuff. I didn't know that I'm gonna be into 3D printers that much, but hey, a year later I made around 40 models, and for this year I'm gonna start with something slightly different. If you're following my work, then you know that I haven't made any decent female characters, mostly because I sucked, and the other thing was that I wasn't confident enough to make something like that.
Exactly like that.
Hey!
Здравствуйте!
He just came from Russia. So let's try to make some kind of female model. I think it's gonna be Captain Marvel, and I hope it's not gonna suck.